Hello students, today we shall learn something about another type of words. There are many words, some are naming words, for example, boy, girl, cow, donkey, book, chair, class. Naming words name person, place, thing or animal. There are some other words which say something more about naming words. They describe or say something more about names. They are called adjectives. Adjectives are describing words. They describe something more about the names. Adding to the meaning of word means adjective. For example, read the followings. A tall boy. Boy is a name. Tall. The word tall describes how the boy is. A short boy. Boy is the name. Tall or short. Describes, says something more about the name or noun boy. Similarly, a fat man, a thin man. Man is a name. The word fat describes or says something more about the word, the name, man. Thin is a word which says something more about the word, the name, man. Fat man, thin man. So these are the describing words. Similarly, black shoes, white shoes. Shoes is a name, naming word. We also call it noun. Black or white describes something more about shoes. So black or white is a describing word. It is called adjective. A big car, a small car. Car is a name. Big or small is a describing word. Big car, big one, or small car. A thick book, a thin book. A thick book or a thin book. Book is a name. Thick or thin is a describing word. The word thick says something more about book. The word thin also says something more about another book. Hot water, cold water. Water is a name. Hot or cold describes water. How water? Hot or cold. The word hot describes water, says something more about water. The word cold describes same word water, says something more about water. So hot, cold are the describing words. They describe the name water. Similarly, a clean shirt. Shirt is a name. Clean is a word that describes or says something more about the name or noun shirt. A dirty shirt. Dirty. Dirty, not clean, describes the word shirt. Shirt is a name or noun. So, clean shirt or dirty shirt. Clean or dirty are describing words. A new shoe or an old shoe. Shoe is a name. New describes one shoe. Old, not new, describes another shoe. So, new or old are describing words. Like that, a long pencil, a short pencil. Pencil is a name. Noun of a thing. Pencil. A long pencil, the word long describes pencil, a naming word. The word short describes another pencil which is short, small one. So, long is a describing word, pencil is name. Short is a describing word, it is describing another name, pencil. Now, this type of words which describes something are called adjectives. We learned naming words, nouns. Now we learn describing words, adjectives. This is second type of words. Words which describe something. Words which describe something are called adjectives in grammar. All describing words are called adjectives. Now mark well, they means adjectives almost always go before the noun. Now try to learn this properly. A word describes noun. Therefore, it should always go before the noun that it describes. If there is no noun, it cannot stand alone. Old, but what old? A person, place or thing. We cannot understand completely. It does not make complete sense. So, describing words almost always go before the nouns or names which they describe. This thing should be marked well. Describing word or an adjective always comes before a noun. Describing word, adjective always comes before a noun. Thus, there are two important properties of describing words. One, they come before the noun they describe. They say something more about the noun they describe. Noun which is described by the describing word is always followed by that word. Noun or a pronoun. Word used in place of noun. Thus, describing word precedes naming word. That is, adjective always comes before the nouns. Adjectives always come before the noun. Noun is always followed by the adjectives, if it is there. Thus, we have two important properties that we discussed, that adjectives describe nouns or say something more about nouns, and they precede, means come before the nouns. Noun is described by the adjective, it follows adjectives. Now, here are some other examples of describing words, that is adjectives. Red, yellow, green, blue, all colors are describing words. Now, mark it well, when all colors stand alone, they work as naming words. But when they come before another noun, they act as describing word. For example, green is a good color. There, the word green is a naming word of color. It is not an adjective, mind it well, because green is a good color. So green is not followed by a name. Green is what? A good color. But if we say a green parrot was sitting on a branch. Green parrot. Parrot is a name. It is followed by describing word green. What does the word green describe? The word green describes parrot. It is followed by parrot. It comes before the name parrot. Green parrot. So green here is a describing word. Parrot is a naming word. Name of an animal. There were many green trees in the garden. What type of trees? Green trees. Trees is a name. Green is describing name. So all colors, when followed by names, they act as describing words, but when they stand alone to mention the type of the color, they are naming words. Strong, strong boy, strong athlete, strong soldier. Strong. Strong is a describing word. Sweet is a describing word. Sweet fruit, sweet apple. Heavy. Heavy bag. Light purse. Heavy. Bright. Bright day. Dark night. Bright day. Bright describing word, day name. Dark night, dark describing word, night name. Light. Light means not heavy, opposite of heavy. Light. High. high mountain, low level, high, low. High mountain, mountain is a name, high describes the name, low, low is a describing word, low level, low land, weak, weak person, person is a name, weak is describing word, open, open is a open book, open is a describing word, open, book is a word. I hold the open book, open, close, close book, open book, close book. Open is the describing word, book is the name or noun. Happy, happy child. Happy is a describing word, child is a name. Thus, describing words say something more about names. Dear students, try to practice describing words, use them in speaking, and learn them. Thanks.